Hey, do you like moist, sweet cornbread? Come along and I'll show you how it's done. You will need 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1 cup of self-rising yellow cornmeal, half cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of buttermilk, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2½ sticks of butter, and 3 eggs. First up, you'll want to melt your butter in the skillet, on the stove, or in the oven. Next, crack your eggs in a bowl, whisk it with a fork, and set it to the side. Now add all of your dry ingredients to the bowl and whisk it together. Now add your eggs, oil, and buttermilk. Using your whisk, incorporate it into the dry ingredients. The batter will be thick, might be hard to mix, but just whisk, whisk, whisk away. Finally, add the butter to the mixture. Whisk well. Pour the batter into your iron skillet, smooth with a spatula, and place in a 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have the perfect, moist, buttery buttermilk cornbread.